Force is the strength or energy as an attribute of physical action or movement. Motion is the action or process of moving or being moved. Let's make a force and motion painting using liquid watercolors and a straw. Put your finger over the top of the straw. Then dip it in the watercolor. Cover it with your finger. Keep your finger on top of the straw and then let go. It'll drop on the paper. Then blow through the straw and push the paint around on the paper. You can move the straw and you can move the paper to change the motion of the paint. A little drop of watercolor paint will go a long way. When the painting's dry, here's a creative way to finish it. You'll need a glue stick, markers, a viewfinder, scissors, and some paper to mat your finished piece on. Alright, so we're going to use a viewfinder to find a smaller part of the painting that is the most interesting. So move the viewfinder around until you kind of have that magical feeling of just which piece of this picture is the most unique or interesting. There, I found it. So trace inside the window or the opening of the viewfinder with a pencil and then cut that out with scissors. You can save the rest of the painting. It could be great for collage paper, or maybe there's another small piece you want to turn into a final artwork as well.